Hi there, my name is Hermano and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to have a look at the Schedule Send feature in Gmail and G Suite. Schedule Send is a little nifty feature which allows you to send emails at a later time. This can be handy in a number of situations. If you are a recruiter, for example, you can schedule responses to candidates who applied for a position and have them delivered in a specific point in time. It is a very simple feature to use. Let's check out how it works. First, you have to open up a new message and address it to someone. So I'll open up my browser, click on the plus button here, and in this case, I'm going to address it to Alex. Then go ahead and compose your message. I'll go for something simple here, just for the sake of the demo. So I'm going to write meeting, up for the meeting tomorrow at 2 p.m. Now I go down to the send button and click on the arrow next to it. And here you see the scheduled send option. So I click on that. A window pops up with some predefined options. If some of those are good for you, just click on one of them. If not, like in my case, click on select date and time. From this new window, you can now choose the day and the time you would like the email to be sent. So I'm going to choose tomorrow at 11:45. Once you've made your selection, just click on schedule send and you're done. The mail will be placed in the schedule folder in the folder list on the right and will be delivered at the time you specified. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you want to see more, make sure you like this video by clicking the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.